Hi, I'm Tony Pastrana from Armstrong Flooring. I've worked for Armstrong for 40 years. I am an installation system developer, so what I do is I work on installation systems and how to develop them. I write the installation instructions. So today we're going to talk about installing wide width engineered flooring and successful tips on how to do that with Powernail. So we'll need a tape measure, a chalk line, a pencil. We'll need a table saw, a miter saw, a saber saw. We will also use the 50F Powernail cleat gun along with an air compressor and the HGA 500 glue assist system. What are the four things that are important with subfloor prep, right? Is clean, flat, dry, and sound. So what we did is we went over our subfloor and properly prepared it for today's installation. So today we're going to be installing Armstrong Flooring Artesian Collective. 6 3/4 inch wide, half-inch engineered product. We're going to show the proper techniques on installing this product. Okay, so we have a 6 3/4 inch product. So what we want to do is we want to allow for a 1/4 inch expansion. So that puts us at 7 inches, and then we have a 1/8 inch tongue, which our measurement will be 7 1/8 inches off our outer wall. So what I like to do is put a circle around it so I can find it later.
Hello, my name is Joe Allen, Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Powernail. Today we're at a home installation site where we're installing engineered floors using some of the latest products from Powernail. Today we'll be using the 50F kit, as well as the PowerJack 500 and the HGA 500 for glue assist, along with the Power Palm for the tight corners, end rows, and starting rows. It's model 50F 18 gauge pneumatic trigger pull actuated cleat nailer. Full adjustable flex foot. This product will fire a 18 gauge L cleat, 1 3/4 inch, 1.5 inches, 1.25 all the way down to 1 inch. Easy load on the rear here. See the outline for the cleat. Accepts the sleeve of cleats down into the channel. Pulls back, now you're loaded, ready to fire. You do have a directional exhaust here, so that as the tool is firing, air is then being blown away from you or blown away from your area of work. 1/4 inch air fitting, and you're ready to go to work.
So you want to maintain your fastening pattern with the 50F when applying a adhesive bead either on the back of the board or on the subfloor in a serpentine pattern. What this does is this gives you the opportunity to reduce your claims from noise, movement of the wide width flooring. So this will help control those conditions.
The Powernail HGA 500 glue assist tool. It is a electric power, 5/8 inch glue stick, wood to wood formulation, 15 inch in length. Motorized unit here actually is a self auto feed. When you squeeze the trigger, there's no more just squeezing the handle multiple times. So as you squeeze the trigger, it feeds the glue stick through and then issues the glue at the other end onto the floor. Once you release the trigger, then it retracts the stick automatically, reducing the drip factor that you'd get on the flooring.
So why do we use a glue assist system? The reason why we want to use a glue assist system is you want to reduce cupping, you want to reduce those end joint gaps, you want to reduce noise. So in conjunction with a mechanical fastener and a glue assist system, this will help you reduce these issues in the future and right now. We want to apply a serpentine bead of adhesive on the back of the board, or you can apply it to the subfloor. So after you apply it, you want to flip the board over. You want to engage. First thing you want to do is engage the end joint first. And then lay the board down as close to the side joint as possible. Then slowly tap the board into place.
Powernail PowerJack 500 floor positioning tool with adjusting jaw for varying heights of flooring from 3/4 inch down to your 5/16 and smaller. This is a handy, think of this as your extra set of hands. Ratcheting jaw against the floor, ensuring that you're against either the base plate or a stud, or use a board spanning those two in order to prevent penetrating the drywall. This is used to pull those final rows close in tight to where you're able to then use the power palm to complete the project, nailing it tightly to the floor. 7 inches of travel as you're going across the ratchet here. Also, you have the base plate that can be attached to mid-floor sections if you want to push the flooring. This can be screwed into the subfloor and used to push the product as well.
Hi there, I'm Tyler Powell with the Powernail Company. I run the e-com and marketing directives for the company. So here we have the Powernail Power Palm. This tool serves 2 very important purposes. One of which is it helps to blind nail whenever you get close to the wall, thus saving the aesthetic of your floor installation. And it also helps to set nails as you move across the floor. Oftentimes you're spending time with a hammer and a manual nail set. This is going to save you time and money, guys. Hooks up to your standard air compressor, same one you're using for your floor nailer, and it's pressure activated. So all you do whenever it's time to set that nail, come down on top of it with the nose. The nose does swivel. You're going to be able to work around that nail wherever it's set, push forward, and it does all the work for you.
So what I'm using is a scrap piece. So what I'm doing is I'm actually leaving the tongue on, so that'll give me my expansion space. So what I'm going to do, the board up against the wall with my pencil. And what that does is going to follow the contour of the wall. So then all we have to do is we have to take it out on a table saw and just follow that line. So here we are. We installed Armstrong Artesian Collective. We followed all the proper procedures. We laid out our room, we did our subfloor preparation, we snapped our chalk lines, we undercut our doorways. We used the Powernail 50F along with the HGA 500 glue assist system. This floor will last for 15-20 years because it's installed properly by Armstrong and Powernail.